In this video, I want to share with you the 3 types of hair serum. You must have come across one of them or even 3 of them. So I want to share with you 3 types of this hair serum, L'uodais hair serum or hair oil, and what they are used for. Now the first one is this L'uodais hair oil. This L'uodais hair serum is a very popular one and is mainly used on straight hair. You can apply it on your straight hair to give it a shiny look and you are good to go. Now the second one is this type. This particular hair serum, I don't think it's that common, but this one is used for body wave hair. You can apply it on a body wave hair to give it a shiny look and you're also good to go. The next L'uodais oil is VO5 L'uodais hair oil. Guys, this one is for curly hair. I think you can apply it on your curly hair, to reduce. If your hair is a kind of dry, you can apply this hair serum or hair oil on the curly hair to give it a soft and shiny look. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment on what you think about those 3 types of L'uodais oil if you have come across them. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family and for more amazing videos like this. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.